Welcome everybody, this is Speedwell Travel. My name is Eve and today I am in Rovaniemi in Lapland in the north of Finland, and I just want to show you around on this short walking tour just to see what it's actually like. Now this is midsummer and literally the 21st of June, so I wanted to visit the Arctic Circle in midsummer because I wanted to see the 24-hour daylight, and that's been on my bucket list for quite a number of years. So this was an ideal opportunity to do this. So I'm afraid it's not usual that you see all the Christmas snow and the Christmas lights and everything, but there are plenty other YouTube videos if you want to go and see what it's like throughout the winter. So Rovaniemi is fairly flat, as you can see, lots of street and pavement cafes. These were absolutely lovely and they were well frequented by the locals. Now, a typical Irish pub, you find these everywhere that you go abroad. Very strange because I've never seen one in Scotland. Anyhow, so I'm just sort of walking down the main street. Now this is going towards the, actually I'm not sure, is it south or is it north? But I'm heading towards the Kemijoki river. Now, electric scooters that you could just see on the right of your picture there, they are actually available for hire and they are legal, so you will find people rolling around on them and it's absolutely brilliant. Now, we just don't have the types of pavements in the UK that was suitable for these to be used. I suppose there's too many pedestrians, but in a lovely open space like this they were well used by the locals. Now, I believe that this is Restaurant Neely and it's incredibly famous. It looks like a very, very old traditional one, and please do pause the video if you want to have a look at the menu. I think it is fairly traditional Lappish food. Now, as I don't really eat meat, this is not something I'm particularly interested in, but I know lots of you would be, so please do, as I said, pause the video to look at the menu. It does look absolutely enchanting inside from what I could see through the windows, although it was actually closed when I was there. And literally just next door, this is the Arctic restaurant. And the Arctic restaurant is actually attached to the Arctic Light Hotel. Now, the Arctic Light Hotel is the, again, sorry, pause the video if you want to have a read at the menu and have a look at the prices. And just to remind you, the prices are in euros as Finland is part of the European Union. The Arctic Light Hotel just here on the left is actually the hotel I was planning to book, and I didn't, unfortunately. I think I would have really enjoyed staying here. It's really deep in the heart of the village and this is actually one of the nicer side streets. Anyway, maybe I'll go another time. So just wandering down through the town. As you can see, there are various pubs and clubs, various other shops. It does have, I would say, a reasonable supply of restaurants for the size of the town, but there are quite big hotels and the hotels do have restaurants and bars attached as well. I found everything to be of pretty good quality and I was pretty happy with it. And there's a nice shot of the Santa's Express bus that will take you up to the Arctic Circle and Santa Village. And again, I'm just crossing this road. Now, at these pedestrian crossings, the pedestrian has right of way and the cars should all stop for you. So don't be afraid just to walk out. Now this is the Scandic Hotel complex. There was one on the left and one on the right. This one on the left is undergoing a bit of refurbishment at the moment. I'm not sure if it's ever been opened, but anyway, never mind. And we're just walking down the last of this lovely pavement towards the Kemijoki river. And I'm going to show you around the waterfront, so I will leave you with some music and enjoy the peace. So thank you so much for being here on the channel. It is really appreciated. It would be wonderful if you wouldn't mind hit the subscribe button. It's completely free for you to do, and it would really mean such a lot to me to help my channel grow. I have absolutely loved my trip to Rovaniemi in Lapland. It was quite an eye-opener and a very, very beautiful, unspoilt and very natural place to be. And as I said, if you have any comments or any questions, please put them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer. Please also like, share, and if you can, again, please hit that subscribe button. I'd be really, really grateful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.